Yeah. Yep.
Looks so sad. It's not so bad, you know. It's just another night. That's all it is. It's not the worst. It's not the worst, you know. We've been through all the rest. We'll get through this. Made mistakes, but we've had good friends too. Remember all the nights we spent with them, and all the dreams who says they can't come true. It's just another chance to start again. Another Christmas Eve, night like all the rest. It's just another Christmas Eve. Let's make it the best. It's just another Christmas Eve, another winter's night. When it's through, this new year will be just
Yep.
I've got evenings to spare and nobody to share. I guess there ain't no Santa Claus. I don't phone, I don't write. I'm alone every night. I guess there ain't no Santa Claus. Jingle bells and wedding bells ring so merrily. And jingle bells and wedding bells never ring for me. Like a clock from a shelf, I hold hands with myself. I guess there ain't no Santa Claus. And cards have all been sent. The Christmas rush is through. But I have just one wish to make, a special one for you. Merry Christmas, darling. We're apart, that's true. But I can dream, and in my dream I'm Christmasing with you. The holidays are joyful. There's always something new. But every day's a holiday when I'm near to you. And all the lights on my tree, I wish you could see. I wish it every day. Logs on fire fill me with desire to see you and to say that I wish you a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year too. Just wanna wish on this Christmas Eve, I wish I were with you. I wish I were with you. Christmas. Let your heart be light. From now on, our troubles will be out of sight. Have yourself a merry little Christmas.